Good evening, everybody. This is just a quick video to go through the Irish spellings for this week. So the three new letters are R, N, and L. Like all the other consonants, they each have two sounds depending on whether they're beside slender consonant or a slender vowel or a broad vowel. Okay, so the sounds: slender L, back of your throat. Broad L through the lips. Hopefully you can hear the difference. N, slender. Broad through the lips. So again, hopefully you can hear the difference. And or, slender, back of the throat. Broad through the lips. The just to keep things interesting, or in general, at the start of a word, regardless of what it's beside, makes the broad sound, the protrude your lip sound. No idea why. Okay, I'll go through the spellings quickly. First one is re-raw. It means hubbub or for a millie. Next one is riddere. So protrude the lips because it's the start. It's the broad sound at the start, so it's riddere, and it means a knight, the armor and all that jazz. Next one is Ross, which means race. Next one is all slender, back in the mouth, so it's leibine, which is if something's soaking wet. Yeah, if you're soaking wet. The next one, I'll hold it up here, sorry, is all broad, so it's raw boon, which means a sharpening stone, a whetstone. And then this one is all broad again, so no do, which is a graft or a transplant, so like a skin graft. Okay, and the last four. First one is all broad, so it's nod, and it's just a different spelling for nothing, for zero. And the next one is slender, so it's knee, and it means a thing. So gachilani would be everything. I'll come back to this one in a second. And the last one is all broad, so it's lompa. Remember the vowel at the end has it's a schwa, so it's a lazy vowel. You just make the sound. Now this one, because S is in the middle of it, and S is known as Bonreen Nogunson, the queen of consonants, because she does, like the queen in chess, or indeed any of them, she does exactly what she wants and makes up her own rules. So if she's beside a P, and instead of being slender because of this I, she's broad and the P is slender. Yeah, just to make things confusing. So that is, instead of being Lishpin, it's Lispin. Okay. And that is a linchpin, and lampa is a lamp. Yeah, I hope that is as clear as crystal or mud even. Anyway, have a lovely evening and good